Okay, so in order to solve this expression, we're going to use our order of operations. And remember that we can use Pemdas, and that stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division together, and addition and subtraction together, whichever comes first. So I'm going to come back over here to my problem, and I am going to look. Do I have any parentheses? Yes, I do. So I have to solve my parentheses first. And in my parentheses, I have 1 plus 3 squared. So actually, in my parenthesis, I need to do my exponent first. So I'm going to say 1 plus 3 squared is 3 times 3 equals 9. And that's in my parentheses. So now I have 4 times 1 plus 9. So I'm going to do inside my parenthesis first, and I'm going to say 10. So I have 4 times 10. So I did my parenthesis, I did my exponent. Next comes multiplication and division, whichever comes first, left to right. So I do have multiplication, so I say 4 times 10 equals 40, and that is actually my answer. Okay, so on this expression, we have a lot of different operations. So I'm going to write down over here PEMDAS for myself, and that way I can kind of look to see if I go in the right order. So I don't have any parentheses, so I took care of parentheses. I do have an exponent, however, so I'm going to start there. So I know that 4 squared is 4 times 4, which equals 16. So now I have 22 minus 1 times 5 plus 16. So I took care of my exponents. Now I have to do multiplication and division, whichever comes first, going left to right. So in this one, I only have multiplication. So I need to do 22. And now I'm going to say minus, but I have 1 times 5. I have to do that first. So it becomes 22 minus 5 plus 16. So I took care of the multiplication, there was no division, and now I have to do addition and subtraction going left to right. So I have 22 minus 5 equals 17. So I have 17 plus 16. So 17 plus 16 is 33. So my answer is 33. I took care of the addition and the subtraction. Now in this case, the subtraction came first. And remember, the multiplication and division are kind of on the same level, and you do whichever comes first. And the addition and subtraction are on the same level. You do whatever comes first.